In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off active status on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then go to your profile, tap at menu and select Settings and Privacy. After that, tap at that search box and then search for activity. You can just enter ACT and then just select Show Activity Status from the search results. And that's where we can easily turn off activity status. If that switcher turned on, just tap on it to turn it off. That's how you can easily turn off active status on Instagram.